baby girl. Hey y'all, so today I have baby girl with me and we're going to be doing an unboxing of this Simply Earth essential oils that came in, and I haven't gotten around to opening it, so I just figured we could open it together. It is their August box, but it's the big bonus box. I know, it's a big bonus box. So let's see what is inside of this. Wow, this is really cool. So it comes with this, and it has some information. I ordered it towards the end, like the last week of August. This is the monthly, and then the bonus, I will go through that as well. So, really like their packaging. And it looks like this box comes with peppermint, peace and quiet blend, lavender, and sage. So essentially you're paying for just this. This is what a box would be normally, and I know from just purchasing oils for the past like several years, I think I started doing oils in 2014, I learned that peppermint oil helps with headaches, and I'm not one to take a bunch of medication because I honestly hate medicine, and I only take it if it's absolutely necessary. So obviously with my C-section, I had to take medication, but with my first son and also Adelina, completely natural. I did not want any medication at all. With the C-section, I definitely had a lot of guilt in taking the medication, but obviously you need medication if they're cutting into you. Anyways, so peppermint oil is just like one of those that I like so love, and like $10 an oil, that's a great price. But then it also comes with like these extra items, and it's to educate you on how to make certain things. So here's some recipes that come with this box's kit, and I'm super excited about the toilet cleaning bombs. I love when my toilet is clean because I don't know about you, but for me, whether it's a public bathroom, which I hate using public bathrooms, I want them to be clean. Maybe it's just me, but and sorry if it's TMI, it makes me feel like I have to like escape and run as fast as I can. But I was really excited about trying this one out, and I love, they're like a cardstock and they're really pretty colors, so I'm excited to try that out. And then they also come with these stickers, so you can label your, wait, do they come with? Oh, okay, so this one doesn't come, like the box itself doesn't come with anything, but it comes with a lava rock for one of the recipes, which you'll probably use this string for. And I told Michael that we'll probably do like a date night for one of these, just because I think that for me, I personally like doing activities over just watching a movie and having dinner. I think those are so boring and so like, I don't know, that's just so boring. Michael and I went bowling. It was like a competition, so I remember whoever lost had to buy ice cream, but we went to Walmart, and I'm not sure, but I ended up being dairy-free ice cream because I was super into paleo at the time, and I got dairy-free ice cream, and then we just went out, and he sat on the bed of his truck and looked at the stars in this one area. But it was just like so nice and like relaxing, doing an activity and then something else. So I'm happy because this is our anniversary month. I'm one of those people that like is huge into celebrating birthday months and anniversary months. So I think this is going to be really nice to have an activity to do with him, and then enjoy all these yummy smelling oils. So this one is a citric acid, I'm not sure if I said that, and then this one is purple Brazilian clay. I love their little packaging, it's super cute. Hey girl, what do you think? You want to smell some oil? This one's the peppermint. Smells good. You want to smell it? So fun, huh? So fun. This bonus box comes with beeswax, coconut oil, and it's cold pressed. It's 100% pure. And they got some almond oil and fractionated coconut oil. And those are just how you're eventually gonna like blend the oils. So it's just nice to have these as the mixers. And it also comes with these bottles. So it has the roller ones and the glass ones. So it comes with 6 of these, and they're just the standard, what everyone's kind of used to. Isn't that cool? Isn't that pretty? Cool, huh? The standard oils that we have, that I'm used to at least. It also comes with 6 of these rollers, and I'm super excited about because I have a couple rollers, but they're already blended, but I've never done it myself. And I've always been into like those, ever since I was a kid, into those activity crafting projects. I just feel like this is so nice to just like have it all together. And this bonus box is really, really awesome for the fact that it provides all this in it. You can scan it, recipe videos for the tutorials, which that's super nice. Once you sign up, you get like this educational information from their website. And I actually printed out some of the documents because I just feel like it's super nice to have, and I want to make a binder just for all my oil stuff so I can start just learning how to use them properly. So their mission is to make your home toxic free. So if you want to try this box out, I will have the information down below if you want to check it out. And yeah, I just think it's really fun, and it has some really neat information on there. A lot of educational videos on there as well, and then they release new videos as you are with Simply Earth, so it's not overwhelming all at once, which I think is really nice, because for me, I'm such a learner that I feel like sometimes I would just like overwhelm myself by watching everything. So by them releasing it slowly, I think it allows you to not be so overwhelmed at once. Here are some of like the paperwork that I printed out, and they just have some of their smells or blends or oils, like what the uses are for this one at least. Some of the notes and aromas. I printed these out just to start my binder and get a little more organized. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. I obviously am totally excited about what's to come with this, and if you want to see the video of us having a date night with this, drop a comment below. Love to interact with you and love to hear what you have to say. Until next time, y'all, have a good one. Say bye. Ta-ta. Bye, y'all.